Sit with a slightly bent knee with your foot flat on the floor. Fully open the brace. Place the brace on your leg with the hinge on the painful side of your knee. Please note, some users are fit with a lateral or outside hinged brace, and some are fit with a medial or inside hinged brace. This video demonstrates the application of a medial or inside hinged brace. Ensure proper alignment of the device on your leg by placing the lower edge of the brace kneecap opening below your kneecap. Next, align the bottom of the Össur logo on the hinge with the upper edge of your kneecap, and the front edge of the hinge with the middle of your leg. While keeping the device in place with one hand, affix the tabs in order as shown by utilizing the dot symbols on each tab. Begin with tab 1 and continue through to tab 4. Make sure all the tabs are tight and comfortable. If necessary, adjust the tabs to obtain an optimal fit. Move the brace dosing strap behind the leg and thread it through the D-ring. While keeping the brace in place with one hand, tighten the loose end of the brace dosing strap and secure it in place. Please note, your brace was initially fit to you to provide pain relief with the dosing strap set at the 5 position. This allows you to adjust the dosing strap based on your daily needs. Take a few steps to determine that the dosing strap is set to maximize your pain relief. If needed, you can make adjustments while standing by bending your knee and adjusting the dosing strap accordingly. The 0 position provides the lowest dose and the 10 position provides the maximum dose. For brace removal, sit down with your knee slightly bent and your foot flat on the floor. Remove the dosing strap from the D-ring and unfasten the tabs from the fastening locations on the brace. Remove the brace from your leg and secure the hook and loop fasteners to better preserve the life of the brace. This will also serve to protect the brace when washing.